The landscape of BT YouView app installation has evolved significantly. The process is now more straightforward than ever, especially on newer box models that have embraced modern streaming technology. There are currently three main categories of BT TV boxes. The flagship BT TV Box Pro from 2024 to 2025 runs on Android TV 12, providing full access to the Google Play Store. The compact BT TV Box Mini focuses on streaming with Android TV capabilities. However, older legacy YouView boxes still exist in many homes. These run on the original Linux-based system and have significantly limited app installation capabilities compared to the newer Android TV models. Before installing apps, you need to ensure several requirements are met. First, you need a stable internet connection with at least 10 megabits per second for HD streaming apps to function properly. You'll also need your BT ID account ready, as this is required to access the BT TV App Store. Additionally, make sure you have adequate storage space, which varies depending on the specific apps you want to install. There are four main methods for installing apps on your BT YouView box. The BT TV App Store offers a curated selection of apps with easy installation. For Android TV boxes, you have full access to the Google Play Store with its complete app library. Voice Assistant integration allows hands-free installation by simply saying, "Hey Google, install Netflix," or similar commands. For advanced users, sideloading APK files is also possible, though this method requires technical knowledge. To summarize, the 2025 BT YouView ecosystem offers excellent app installation capabilities, especially on newer Android TV models. Understanding your box type and having the proper requirements in place will ensure a smooth app installation experience. There are three main ways to install apps on your BT YouView box. The first and most common method is using the BT TV App Store. Step 1. Press the Home button on your BT remote control. This will take you to the main menu of your BT TV interface. Step 2. Navigate to the Apps section. You'll see this in the main menu interface. Look for the Apps option and select it using your remote. Step 3. Select either App Store or Get More Apps. This will open the BT TV App Marketplace, where you can browse available applications. Step 4. Browse categories or use the search function to find your desired app. Then select the app and press Install. Wait for the download and installation to complete automatically. The second method is using the Google Play Store, which is available on newer Android TV-based BT boxes. Step 1. Access the Google Play Store from your Android TV home screen. You'll see the Play Store icon among your apps. Step 2. Sign in with your Google account if prompted. This gives you access to the full Google Play Store library. Step 3. Search for your desired streaming app using the search function. Select the app from the results and press Install to begin the download process. The third and most convenient method is using voice commands, available on newer BT TV boxes with voice remote support. Step 1. Press and hold the microphone button on your BT remote. You'll usually find this button clearly marked with a microphone icon. Step 2. Say Install, followed by the name of the app you want. For example, say Install Netflix or Install Disney+. Speak clearly for best results. Step 3. Confirm your selection from the search results that appear on screen. Follow the on-screen installation prompts to complete the process. The app will be installed automatically. Once installation is complete, using any of these methods, your new app will appear in the Apps section of your BT TV interface, ready to launch and enjoy.